Guys, welcome back. Hope you're fine. Hope you're doing great. So in today's video, we'll be talking about you are the niche. Do you really need a niche to grow here on YouTube? Should you become the niche? All these are the questions you need to ask yourself when you are starting a YouTube channel. So if you have a YouTube channel, I would say if you are just starting a YouTube channel, you shouldn't niche down immediately because you don't really know what is going to work for you. So if you don't know what is going to work for you, you just have to spread. You just have to outgrow a niche. You just have to be the niche. Look for what is working. Look for what people are doing. There is a season that maybe you have a channel already and the channel is not doing well. You might have that season that your subscribers are just stuck there. Your views are just stuck there. You're not getting the views that you want. Those days will definitely come. Just take it that you are the niche. You just have to outgrow one niche and go to the other one. Just look for what is working, what people are doing, and try different things. Okay, it is not a bad thing. It is okay to try different things if you're just starting, because the audience you are having right now, they might not be your real audience or your target audience. Okay, so if you're just starting, you like trying to put all your egg in one basket, and before you know it, you run out of ideas. You run out of content that you want to create. So if you look different places, you spread your egg, spread it into different branches, you're going to find out that you're going to be able to create more content which people are going to resonate with, and thereby getting more viewers, more audience, which is what you want. You don't want to stay stuck in one place. You don't want to keep creating one content, keep doing one thing. Like, as for me, I don't like doing just one thing in this channel. I just want to spread it out. I just want to be the niche. So you can be the niche also. When you are the niche, you look at what is working, most especially things that you know you can do better, and you try to focus and do those things. As you keep doing them, you outgrow your expectations, because what as we create content, what we expect to get views, we expect to get subscribers. Don't feel bad if you create a content. I know it's okay to create a content. I feel like, this content today, I've been there and I'm saying from my experience, I feel like, today this content, if I create them, this content, this is what is working, I'm going to get a lot of view. And you find out that after you finish doing everything, putting all the works, edit, filming, blah blah blah, you find out that you didn't get those views that you expected. Oh my goodness. So what do? Just outgrow those expectations. Outgrow those expectations. Everything you've been in having in your head, that you're expecting that, once I film this video, I'm going to blow. I'm going to blow up, I'm going to get plenty views. Just outgrow it and become the niche. You are the niche. If you become the niche and you try to look for what is working, and you try to create diverse or diversify your creating your way of creating, you find out that maybe at the long run, one is going to blow, one is going to get more views, and you can start creating content out of that one that took off, that got more views. So this is why you have to become the niche. So if you are the niche, sometimes think about the audience. What are the audience? What do they like? What you can talk to your audience, you can like create posts. I have done that before, asking questions. What do you want? Do you want me to create this topic? Do you want me to you can ask your audience questions. But if you're just starting, you really don't have those audience. You have to become the niche. You have to be the one doing everything before the audience come. So for you to be the one doing everything for the audience come, you have to diversify. You have to create different content. You have to become the niche. That is what this video is talking about. You don't have to put all your egg in one basket. Like if you're doing lifestyle content and it is not working for you, it is okay to move. It is okay to do other stuff. It is okay to start doing content like content uh, uh, what I eat in a day, like what I eat in a week. It is okay to start doing other stuff like creating maybe what you have learned, things you know better to do. For example, maybe you learn something new on YouTube, you want to talk about it. Just feel free to talk about that. Just feel free to tell people what you learn and teach people also something you have learned. It is not a bad idea. It is okay to become the niche, and from there you grow your channel. So if you want to grow on YouTube, don't stay stuck. Don't be on one place. Just like outgrow your expectations, outgrow your feelings, outgrow what you think. Don't always be expecting that things is going to go. There is always a time to plant. That's the planting season, and there's always the time for you to harvest. Always know that maybe the time that you're getting low views is the time you're planting, and that is why you want to become the niche. Because during the planting season you have to become the niche, because if you are the niche, you will look for what is working and you start doing all different things. You don't have to put your egg in one basket. I am not of that opinion or of that idea that you just, as you're starting, just be doing one thing. If you're doing one thing and that thing is not working for you, you get frustrated easily, and before you know it, you just quit. You don't want to do YouTube again. So for you not to quit, for you not to get frustrated, just outgrow those expectations and start becoming the niche. Start doing what is working. Start creating content that people love to watch, that you know, that you see that people are watching. You start to join them. Don't be stuck in that place. Don't be sitting down there and say, no, me, I am a lifestyle content creator, or my channel is a cooking channel. My channel, I only do cooking videos. I start uploading only cooking videos, and it's not working for you. And if you see that it's not working for you, feel free to do other content. Feel free to try something new, because you don't know if that thing you try, that one thing that you just try new, is going to be what is going to work for you. And if it works for you, you just continue to create content in that area, and that is how your channel will pick. So you just don't have to stay in one place. Feel free to diversify. Feel free to be the niche. Become the niche, and don't let the niche you down, because I know a lot of content creators are of the opinion that you should just stay in one niche. Create only one niche, only one content. And if you are doing only one content and it is not working for you, it's okay to create other ones. It's okay to change. It's okay to do other things that you feel a lot of people are doing and is working for them. It is okay to try it out, because when you try it out, you never can tell if it's going to work for you. And from there, you're going to get what you're looking for. Your expectations are going to be met. Maybe you're going to start getting the views because you just did only one video to blow up your channel. Before you know it, if that video blow up and you start getting subscribers from there. I've seen someone got 1,000 subscribers from one video. Even me, I have experienced it, okay, in my other channel. So you are the niche. Don't stay stuck in one place. If you're creating one content and it's not working for you, try to do something else. Try to diversify your content creation. So finally, don't take it personal when you get less views and less subscribers. Do not take it to heart. Do not be so sad about it. That just know that one day you're going to start getting views. Just be the niche. Become the niche. You are the niche, because if you take yourself as the niche, if you start doing what is working, if you start to look at other areas and start creating content around those areas, you can one day find out that it's going to work. So it's okay, and make sure to have that courage to always try new things. Don't stay stuck. Don't stay in that your comfort zone of creating one particular type of content, and you are finding out and you're seeing that it is not working. Don't stay stuck there. Try to move. Try to get that courage and move on and create other content in other areas that you know you're good at. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Help me to share this video, and I'll see you in my next video, in my next one. Bye. Ciao.